Question is the magnitude and direction of the velocities of two identical smooth balls. Two identical smooth balls means the mass of the ball A and B is equal before they struck each other as shown in figure. Assuming coefficient of restitution E is a coefficient of restitution is 0.8. Find the magnitude and direction of the velocities of each balls. Here is the figure. This is a line of impact. BA makes 60 degree with line of impact and BB makes 45 degree with a line of impact, and BA is a 10 meter per second and BB is a 20 meter per second. Line of impact is a normal component and the vertical line passes through the point of contact between ball A and ball B is a tangent component, that is T. Now resolving the velocity of A and B into tangent and normal component, we get tangent component of BA is BA sin 60 degree and the normal component of BA is BA cos 60 degree, and similarly the tangent component of BB is BB sin 45 and normal component is BB cos 45 degree. So by resolving we get BAT is a 10 sin 60 degree, this is 8.66 meter per second, and BBT is a 20 sin 45 degree, this is 14.14 meter per second. Similarly BA, normal component of BA is 10 cos 60 degree, this is 5 meter per second. BBN is minus 20 cos 45. Minus sign indicate the velocity of the normal component of velocity B is from right to left. We are taking left to right is positive, so there is a minus. Now since the impulsive force directed along the line of impact only, clearly in figure the impulsive force is directed to along the line of impact only, so the component of tangent are same, there is no change in T component. So B dash AT is 8.66 meter per second and B dash BT is a 14.14 meter per second. Now the linear momentum of balls are conserved in the line of impact. So MABAN plus MBBBN is equal to MAB dash AN plus MBB dash BN. Since the mass of A and B is equal, so they are cancelled out. BBN is equal to B dash AN plus B dash BN, or we get the value of B dash AN plus B dash BN is equal to, this is 5 plus minus 14.14. Therefore B dash AN plus B dash BN is minus 9.14. This is the equation number 1. Now we know coefficient of restitution E is given by VB dash n minus V dash BA n upon VA n minus VB of n. So the value of coefficient of restitution is 0.8 is equal to VB dash n minus V dash A n upon, this is 5 minus 14.14, or this is a V dash Bn minus V dash An is equal to 15.312. This is the equation number. Solving equation I and II, we get 2 of V dash Bn is equal to 6.172. This implies V dash Bn is 3.086 meter per second. Also, from equation second, we get the value of V dash A n is minus 12.226 meter per second. So the final velocity of ball A is V dash A is V dash A n I plus V dash A T j. This is minus 12.226 I plus 8.66 j, and V dash B is 3.086 I plus 14.14 j. Now the magnitude of V dash A is root under minus 12.226 whole square plus 8.66 whole square. This is 14.98 meter per second, and the direction of V dash A is theta 1 is tan inverse V dash A T upon V dash A n. This is tan inverse 8.66 upon 12.226. This is 35.31 degree. Now the magnitude of V dash B is root under 3.086 whole square plus 14.14 whole square. This is 14.77 meter per second, and the direction of V dash B is theta 2 is tan inverse 14.14 upon 3.086 is 77.7 degree. The magnitude and the direction of final velocity of VA is 14.98 meter per second and 35.31 degree, and the V dash B is 14.77 meter per second and 77.7 degree centigrade. This is the required answer. Direction of theta 1 is, and theta 2 is